Hey guys, what's going on? This is Asif and you're watching Tech Tipper channel. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can make a selfie stick or a tripod at home. It's a DIY thing. So if you want to buy a selfie stick, a good selfie stick, it is going to cost you somewhere around 800-900 rupees, because the quality ones like the Xiaomi selfie stick or one from Lenovo or Honor, so these selfie sticks will cost you somewhere around 800-900 rupees or maybe 1000 rupees. And if you want to buy a selfie stick in a price range of rupees 400 or 500, then you will have to compromise a lot on the quality of it. I mean, they are not sturdy, they will break easily. So here is how you can make your own selfie stick at home without spending too much. Here is the DIY video of making the selfie stick or the tripod at home. It was sent to me by a friend, so you can take a look. And if you talk about the cost of this DIY selfie tripod, then it is less than 50 rupees. Yes, because we have used PVC pipes and a mobile phone clamp that was taken out of a broken selfie stick. So it is quite sturdy. So if you make this tripod, then possibilities are endless. You can create a lot of things. I'm going to show you, I'm going to share that in future videos as well. So this is it in this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button so that I know that you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one.